Hey Catherine, I'm so happy to hear from you. I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to show you how you can make a Google document shared to everybody in your OTUS account. So my first page looks a little bit different than yours, but it's going to be the same. I'm going to go over here to Assessments. I'm going to click on Assessments. I'm going to go to Create Assessment. And I'm going to make this a rubric style assessment. I'm going to call this Mrs. Gordon's Recipe Plan. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to call this an assignment. I'm going to select a grading scale. I'm going to click Next. Okay, here I have to put my descriptor title, so I'm just going to call this 2G's Recipes. You can name it whatever you'd like. I'm going to go to link standards just because we can. So I'm just going to go to the Common Core, English Language Arts, second grade. You don't have to do this. I'm just doing this so you could possibly collect data on a standard. Types and purposes. Maybe this is a informative. I don't know what kind of recipe you're really doing. Maybe you're doing a fun opinion writing or something. Next, I'm going to go down to Choose File down here. What I did in my Google Drive is I had made a practice Google document called Gordon Recipe Template. So I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to click Save. So these are all things in my Google Drive, but I'm clicking on the template. Of course it disappears. There we go. And then I'm going to click Save. Okay, this is the big part where you get to make the decisions of who can view the file. So students can view the file, students can edit the file, or make a copy for each child. You're going to click Make a Copy for each student, and you're going to click Save. Okay, now you can see down here, it is right there. Okay, next I'm going to go to Assign, and this is where I can click my class that I would like it to go to. Again, mine's a little crazy. So I have everybody's in here. I think you guys are 2 dots. Oh no, Manning is capital. Sorry. And then for me, I just have to search, but here you are. Okay. I can just keep it here to assigning to all, or if I only want to send it to a select amount of kids, then I select few. I could deselect all, and I could say I want to send it to Asher, Logan, Liam, Addison. Okay. Or you could just select all. I'm going to put your due date in here. Maybe you're going to have it due the week of the 15th. Click Apply. Here's where you would write your directions. Please complete the recipe document. Obviously, you'd give more directions. I don't want to bother you with that. Here's where you're going to probably put allow multiple attempts. That way that they can start it one day and then work on it the next day, but they can keep going into the document multiple times. So I would definitely click allow multiple attempts. And then I scroll all the way back, and then I click the Assign button, and that will go to your classes. I'm not going to press it right now because I don't want that to go to your class, but that is how you can create a copy of a Google document for each of your students through OTUS assessments. If you have any further questions, I'm happy to help you. I hope you're doing well. I miss you guys, and if you need anything else, let me know. Take care.